Introducing our advanced rotary pump capping machine, designed for efficiency and reliability in packaging. This machine integrates an automatic cap feeder, cap sorting system, and rotary capping mechanism, all driven by a high-performance servo system. Equipped with features such as bottle blockage detection, missing bottle detection, missing cap alarms, and overload protection, it meets national hygiene standards for daily chemical products. Its reliable performance, scientific design, and user-friendly operation make it the ideal choice for family-owned manufacturers seeking optimal filling solutions.